Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another video on Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Artisan Part 8 mission in Roblox Wanted. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Completing this mission is actually very simple. To finish it, we need to mod an M60 gun by attaching a rifle scope and a bipod to it. If you find an M60 gun anywhere, you can mod it, or you can unlock one to mod. I already have an M60 gun with me. To get started, make sure to equip the gun first. Then go to the ammunition shop inside the Syndicate Base while it is equipped and select I want to mod my item. Once you select that, you will find an option called Optics. From there, purchase the Rifle Scope. Next, go to Underbarrel and you will be able to choose the M60 Bipod. After attaching both attachments, talk to the NPC right inside the Syndicate Base ammunition shop, turn in the mission and it will be complete. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.